Hello student, we are going to prove angle-angle similarity theorem. So what is the statement? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence two triangles are similar. So here ABC and DEF, there are two triangles and their corresponding angles are same. That is angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E and angle C equals to angle F. It is given. So this is given and we require to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So for proving this, it is sufficient that if we are able to prove AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to DE upon AC upon DF, then we can say these two triangles are similar. So for this, let us see case first. When AB equals to DE, in this angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E and angle C equals to angle F. Now we can say triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Once they are congruent to each other, then we can say their remaining side, that is BC equals to EF and AC equals to DF, and already we have assumed AB equals to DE. Once each side of both the triangles are equal, then we can write in the proportional one, that is AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon EF, each of one unit length. So we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DE. Now case second, when AB is less than DE. Once AB is less than DE, then this we require to do some construction. Mark a point P on the line DE and Q on the line DF such that AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ, join PQ. So ABC and DEF, and we assume that AB is less than from DE. So we are going to assume that is on DE there is a point P and DF there is a point Q such that AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ and join PQ. So we in triangle ABC and DPQ, we are going to show they are congruent to each other. So AB equals to DP, AB equals to DP and angle A equals to angle D, AC equals to DQ. So by side angle side, these two triangles congruent to each other. Once they are congruent, then their respective angles will be same. That is angle B equals to angle P, but angle B equals to given as a equal angle E and C equals to given angle F. That means we can say angle DPQ equals to angle DEF, which gives us PQ parallel EF, which gives us PQ parallel EF. Corresponding angles are equal, so we can say they are parallel. Once they are parallel, that is DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF, we can write by the converse of BPT. Once they are in this way, but we can write in place of DP equals to AB. So AB upon DE and DQ in place of DQ AC upon DF, because AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ. Similarly, we can prove that AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF. Now we can prove AB upon DE equals to AC upon DF equals to BC upon EF. So these triangles ABC will similar to triangle DEF. Now the situation third, when AB is greater than DE. Once AB is greater than DE, then again we require to do some construction. Mark a point P on DE produced to Q and DF produced such that DP equals to AB and DQ equals to AC, join PQ. That is AB equals to DP and AC equals to DF, but this is the less than the AB. So we require to produce DE up to P and DF up to Q. Now in triangles ABC and DEQ, in triangles ABC and DPQ, AB equals to DP, AC equals to DQ and angle A equals to angle D, then the by side angle side criteria, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. Once they are same congruent, then we can say angle B equals to DPQ, but angle B is given to angle E. So we can say angle DPQ equals to angle DEF, corresponding angles are equal. That is these two angles are corresponding angles. So we can say DPQ parallel to EF. Once they are parallel, that is we can say by the converse of BPT, DE upon DP and DF upon DQ. In place of DE upon AB and DF upon AC, because they are same, so we can write DE upon AB and DF